Looks like we used the lavatory after a bad curry, didn't it? Pebble dashed myself. I don't think I've ever seen you wear gloves.
No, it's my new approach, Pete. It's what I thought myself is. If I find a woman, I want my hands to be soft. Like silk going over her body rather than sandpaper.
Maybe 1.25 seconds before I can fire this bad boy up. And the fire marshal breaks out into action. Let's find out. Here we go. Told ya. That's the work phone now. Bishop Auckland, where's that?
Lacey, I'm calling from My Money Online.
Right.
I'm updating the online directory listing for the business. Am I able to speak to the business owner?
Are you them men in the little red shorts with the moustaches?
No, we are actually a different business.
No need to be silly, is there?
No need for language, is there?
Well, no, there's no need to be sarcastic, is there?
Put
You're
another
going
biscuit
thin
in
on
your
top.
mouth. What?
You're going really thin on top.
I know I am. Well, I'm nearly 40.
Who paid for breakfast, Wayne?
Tina, by his silence.
Me.
Yeah, sure.
I bet they split the bill.
Yeah.